Welcome to my channel. It's me Oritra. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to stay notified whenever I upload a video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 DIY home remedies for your skin and face. It's the wedding season and also Valentine's Day is around the corner, so this week is the Valentine's week or the week of love. This Valentine's week, show yourself some love, pamper yourself with these 3 simple DIY face pack and scrub, and you'll surely notice the difference. These days we all love makeup and we all love to glam up, be it in a party or making out with friends, casual dinner date, or any place we go to. We always love to take up and make ourselves presentable using a lot of beauty products. And makeup makes us look beautiful, enhance our beauty, but if you don't take off your makeup in a proper way, it will also give rise to wrinkles and various other skin problems. So the first thing that I'm going to be showing you is a DIY makeup remover. We all know that coconut oil is the most important thing when it comes to makeup removing.
For your makeup remover, you'll be needing coconut oil and milk. You can use regular milk or you can also use coconut milk. We all know the benefits of coconut oil. It is gentle on your skin and also takes off your makeup. Always use your coconut milk or coconut oil in a cotton pad or a cotton ball and wipe off your makeup without any hesitation. Go slow and take off your makeup. This is very good for your skin. It doesn't affect your skin, doesn't make your skin harsh, takes care of your skin, makes your skin smooth, and also removes the makeup at the same time.
The next thing that I'm going to be showing you is a face and body mask. We all know the benefits of multani mitti, turmeric, rose water, lime juice, honey. So this is very good for your skin. This will not work overnight since we are not using any chemical product. This will take some time, but go ahead and apply it every day for 7 days and you'll surely notice a difference.
So these are the basic 6 ingredients that you'll be requiring for your face and body mask. This body mask will not only help you detan your skin, but also will make your skin soft and smooth. So let's begin with the ingredients. The first ingredients that we have is milk. Use regular milk or coconut milk as well, but here I've used regular milk that we get, rose water and lime juice. And over here I have multani mitti, turmeric and honey. So first I'm going to be taking this bowl of multani mitti and I have taken 1 tablespoon of multani mitti. To this I'll be adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. We don't want our skin to be yellow, so I'll not be adding a lot of turmeric in here. The next thing that I'll be adding is milk. I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of milk to this. And 1/2 teaspoon of rose water. Next to this, I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of lime juice. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of honey. You can always add a little less amount of honey if you have oily skin or acne prone skin. And if you have dry skin, you can also increase the quantity of honey. The next step that we require is to mix it up. If you find your paste has less liquid, feel free to add a little more milk and a bit of rose water. And here's what your finished pack looks like. You can use a brush or just your fingers to apply this all over your body or the places where you have tan, and also apply this to your face. Keep this for 15 minutes and rinse this off with lukewarm water. Make sure to continue applying this for a week and you'll surely notice the difference.
The third thing that I'm going to be showing you is a detan body scrub. So the ingredients we have is cucumber paste, tomato paste. Both cucumber and tomato helps in taking off your tan, but again you need to be consistent with this paste and you have to apply it for at least a week to notice the difference.
First, the ingredients that you'll be requiring for your detan scrub. For the detan scrub, we have lime juice, tomato paste, cucumber paste, and sugar. You will be taking equal quantities of cucumber paste and tomato paste. I've already mixed my cucumber and tomato. I have used 1 teaspoon of each. To this, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of lime juice. You can go ahead and add honey, but here I'm not adding honey. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of sugar. Make sure not to powder them because you need these granules to scrub off your skin. And now mix it up. So this is what your scrub looks like. This scrub to scrub off your skin and you'll definitely notice the difference. Make sure to apply this consistently for a few days to notice the difference. Since I'm not using any chemical products, you will not find the difference overnight. You'll definitely notice some good changes in you within a week.